Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert wood dowel into board C. Insert wood dowel into all 5 board D. Insert wood dowel into all 2 board E. Insert wood dowel into all board F. Insert wood dowel into all 4 board H. Insert wood dowel into all 4 board I. Insert wood dowel into board K. Insert wood dowel into board L. Insert mini fix bolt onto board A and B. Insert mini fix bolt onto all 4 board G. Insert mini fix bolt onto board L. Install Euro screw M5 onto second hole of the metal runner slide. Repeat the same step to install metal runner slide on board B. Attach board H and I to board J using CSK screw M5. Attach board Z using nail making the base of the drawer. Attach board G using minifix cam making the front of the drawer. Install 2 metal drawer slide onto board G. Repeat the step to build all 4 drawers. Attach board C and all board D to board A using minifix cam. Attach board K to board A using minifix cam. Attach board B to cabinet body using minifix cam. Attach all board E to board F and install onto the top of the cabinet body using CSK screw M5. Attach board L to cabinet body using minifix cam. Install plastic leg stud onto the bottom of cabinet body. Attach the backboard to the back of the cabinet body using nail. Install metal hinges onto board X using CSK screw M3.5. Attach board X to the top of the cabinet body using CSK screw M3.5. Use the screw in the bottom to adjust vertically. Use the screw in the top to adjust front and back. Insert all drawers into the cabinet body. Congratulations! You have assembled your chest drawer.